Hello and welcome. In today's session, we'll be learning how to extract values from an array based on specific indices. This is useful for when you want to remove certain elements from an array while keeping track of those removed. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to implement this functionality using JavaScript. The problem is straightforward. We are given an array and a list of indices. The task is to remove the elements at those indices and return them in a separate array, and update the original array with the remaining elements. This technique can be particularly useful when processing or filtering data dynamically. Let's break this code down. We first create an empty array removed to store the elements that will be extracted. Use the map method to iterate over the input array and check if each index matches the ones provided in the pool array. If a match is found, add the value to removed. Otherwise, keep it. Use the filter method to retain elements that do not match the specified indices. We clear the original array and refill it with the remaining values using for each. Finally, we return the removed array. The function works in several logical steps. First, it initializes an empty array to store the removed values. It then iterates through the input array, comparing each index to those specified in the pull array. It then uses matching elements that are pushed to the removed array. Next, the remaining elements are filtered out and stored separately. The original array is cleared and updated with the remaining values. Lastly, the function returns the removed values for further use. Here's how the function works with two examples. For the first array, the indices 1 and 3 correspond to the values b and d, which are then removed. The remaining values are a, c, and e, which are left in the array. For the second array, the index 4 corresponds to the value 5, which is then removed. The remaining values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7. This functionality has various practical applications. It can be used for data cleaning, where unwanted entries are removed from datasets. Dynamic filtering allows you to extract specific elements based on user input or criteria. It also enables custom selection of array elements, which is useful for reorganizing data. Whether you're processing large datasets or handling dynamic user input, this technique is incredibly versatile. In summary, this program demonstrates how to extract specified values from an array using modern JavaScript methods like the map and filter methods. It not only removes elements at specified indices, but also keeps the original array updated, making it a powerful tool for array manipulation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. I'll see you in the next one.